Hello everyone, today I'm sharing a personal experience of helping a friend in Iran. Looking for a Chinese brand SMT's order printer. See how the state of this machine. Are you satisfied? This machine was manufactured in 2017. This SMT's order printer is now in continuous operation. To check if there are any deviations in accuracy before and after operation. This is a China-made SMT's order printer with low price, high accuracy and stable operation. This place is his old home. Take a look at this used solder printer after cleaning. Sharing here today. The next video shows you how to find the low price, good condition SMT's order paste printer in China. If you need to buy SMT's order paste printer, friends, good condition SMT's order paste printer in China. I will solve all your concerns. Tel +861897354391 WeChat, WhatsApp, Zalo, Telegram, Skype, Contact, Roxy Mail. We will see you next time.